looking at the chart before, and I'm like, I literally don't see anything. Like I haven't seen anything today, but maybe one somewhat setup. I don't know if I even call that decent. It's like they
Yeah,
really.
I caught some good trades today.
Let's
But
go.
they were like definitely like sniper trades.
Right. So like 10 point trades.
Well, I was getting like 20 and 25 points, but it still felt like a lot of effort just to get that. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
they were fighting that shit.
Yeah, totally.
Let's go though. And
So I might be distracted around 3:45, but around closing,
what
should
you
we
mean
see?
distracted? I'm gonna do it too.
Oh, I'm like, okay,
I'm like, what you?
let's do it then.
Yeah, I'm
Shit.
trying to run that play for sure. Hold on, I'm just getting some water.
All right.
I'm doing this like 3 day water fast.
Okay.
And that shit is interesting to say the least.
Sure it is.
Oh my
I've
god.
done water fast before, and some have gone really great, and some have gone really bad.
Oh yeah.
All right. So that's our 15-minute candle retracement.
I'm just like, stay focused. Stay focused. I went on the road before. I passed Chick-fil-A and Wendy's. I was like, oh, I should get some chicken nuggets. Nope. Stay focused.
You're doing better than I would have been doing.
Oh man, it's crazy though. Okay, let me
Okay, so AMD. Look, this D is so. Ugh, I don't like this D.
which one? The one.
This one, I don't like the. I don't like this.
Yeah,
I don't like this quarter at all.
the distribution
It's
really is.
acting, it's acting like A.
Hmm.
See how A looks? That's
Right, it's
ugly.
like the same thing.
Yes. I mean, at least with, the M quarter, we had like a little run to the downside.
I'm trying to write in the Discord that we doing this. I forgot somebody wrote me like, let me know. I was like, okay. Oh yeah, before I forget, I have written down here something on a sticky note for that right now. Back to Asian level or the 730 level.
Yeah.
You said you wanted to look at
So
that too.
I just remember like almost every floor we're on, every single week, you're like, hey, it's back to the Asian
Mm-hmm.
Open. And I'm like, oh shit. And today, like it clicked for me. I was like, maybe we should look at that.
Right.
Maybe we should, investigate that and see
Yes.
what that's all
Especially
about.
if it's like a time trigger thing, that'd be crazy.
Yeah. So what I'm looking for this end of the day play or whatever, like I mean this is my indication line, this little 345 line. Even
Mm-hmm.
though it starts at 350, I want to see like one side of this range get taken out, but so far they're not taking out shit. Like this up move I thought was going to take out the buy side, it didn't. This down move I thought was going to take out the sell side, it didn't. And so it's just like an inside quarter, and it's kind of annoying the shit out of me.
Because that's the play that you're talking about. So when they start trying to go take out the red, you're trying to obviously buy.
Yeah, when they go try to take out this sell side or this buy side.
And you take it once it breaks, or you take it like on the way to there.
Well, I was hoping it would break before that moment, but it doesn't look like it's going to, because we've just kind of been staying in the middle of this range.
Hmm. Okay.
So maybe at 3:45, around the time it'll start giving us some signals that it's going to go one way or the other. Sometimes it doesn't, though. It'll just go. Like it literally will just pop off.
Yeah,
It'll just pop off, and you're like, oh, yeah.
yeah. Fritz, you know Fritz actually. Fritz used to
Mm.
trade this. He used to be like, "Yep,
Volatility.
yeah." He would just run it.
You can.
I'm like, all right.
And I don't know about the new stuff that I told you the other day. I don't know if that's true. So that's something else we'll have to investigate,
What's that?
about whether when we have news in the afternoon, the the price action or the movement of the volatility time is going to be like less um less trending
Hmm.
versus like when we don't have news in the afternoon.
Right.
I don't know if that to be true for sure. So
So we had news today,
in the morning,
not in the afternoon though.
not in the afternoon. Remember yesterday we had FOMC meeting minutes at 2 o'clock or 2:30 or something, and so that kind of made the volatility a little bit shaky. I mean, I still got a little something off of it, but
Right.
it was like normally when I say it goes, it like literally takes off like a rocket or goes down like some gravity is pulling it.
Dropping.
Yeah.
Well, we gonna see. Um.
Was there even a pattern today? Did you notice?
Just the lower high, off like the edge. It'll like come down and then just literally be right off a little bit of the edge. But it was all sketchy though. All sketchy lower highs today. So I was like, interesting.
I wonder why today was like that. Normally Wednesdays are like that.
Maybe because we had that one day off, to start the week.
Oh yeah, that's right. So
Today is Wednesday.
technically today is Wednesday.
Right.
Oh, I didn't think about that. It makes sense.
Like, I guess.
Stupid algorithm doesn't even know what day it is.
Right. No idea. We're mashing all the days together. I've been doing that. Who told you bad man don't dance? Yeah, like this is crazy. I'm still drawing up my chart right now. Literally, after I came back at like 12 something, I took one more look and I was like, yeah, okay.
Yeah. I mean, there's nothing to look at.
Yeah, I'm gonna go play some
I
FIFA.
get that.
Yeah, I was like, I'm gonna go play some FIFA. I'm good. Take a walk.
FIFA.
Alright, so we'll start that after this open then, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's run this play first. Alright, hold on. Where's my book? I need to get this book.
Oh, come on. Give me some good price action.
A little confused, player. I'm not sure.
Mm.
So,
do you use any of any of those ATMs for this, or you just try to look for it to run?
Oh no, I definitely use ATMs.
Like 10?
I was using my 44 and 40 with 5 contracts, but I was like way too stressed with that.
Yeah.
So I just have been using the trailing 60
Okay.
and waiting until everything lines up for me, like in terms of my strategy, and then I'll get in, and I usually get, like the stop moves, and then I get to, I move the stop a few times before I get stopped out.
Makes sense.
I think you set it to move the stop loss at 14 points or something like that. 13 and a half.
Right, yeah.
So I'm at least getting that.
14 and a half points is good cash.
Yeah. That sell signal is BS. I'm also like watching this price action with the cheat code.
Yeah.
And just seeing like how relevant it is. Today has not been the cheat code's day. I'm like, nope.
Ain't nothing been going on.
There are some good, some like runs, but
Monday. That shit's in my room.
Eh?
That shit's in my room.
oh.
Changes, my boy. Changes.
Okay, so we are trapped inside of a compound 3.
Huh?
We're trapped.
Again?
Yeah, the guy came here and looked at it today.
Okay, well, good. Last night I saw him boy at 50 degrees, the man them asleep. Well, 40 to rat it.
Yeah. Alright, bro, me and you talk after this. Who is this? Yo? Yo? Yo, you hear me? Yo! How this dude calling me and not saying nothing?
Somebody playing on your phone.
Exactly.
Don't do it. Reconsider. Oh, we did it. Oh, come on.
Yo, brother. Huh? Oh yeah, man. I'm in a meeting with Coach Amy. I'll call you back when I'm done. All right? Yeah, man. All right, brother.
Okay. We got a minute until we say 5.
I was looking for us to break the low. Because I have a little downtrend.
I'm like, don't get attached. Don't get attached. Because this thing is just going to, I'm telling you, when it pops off, it's just going to pop. And you just got to, roll with it.
Listen, bro, okay. This is not my trading style at all. That's why I'm like, I can dig it. It's like I could be undisciplined as I want. Say less. Just pick a direction. Boop.
I mean, that's what you got this special account for, right? Just for this type
that's
of play.
what I'm saying. I got these just for this. So I'm like, let's go. This can show myself what I should maybe try, what I should maybe loosen up on,
Yep.
Oh, what's going on, guys? I see you guys coming in on the live stream. Okay, what's good? What's good?
Hey. Hey, YouTube people.
Yes.
I can't see you, but what's up?
YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch people. Shout out to y'all. Yeah, like Coach Amy said, we can't see y'all. If anybody needs anything though, don't hesitate to write in. We're gonna run this.
But you can see the chat. I can't see the chat.
Yeah. Don't worry. I'll tell you if anybody writes.
Okay.
We're running this close play.
What I'm looking at is we have this fair value gap to the downside, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything because we've kind of been in bearish sentiment all day. So they could take us higher. I don't know where this volatility play is going to go.
Wow, this daily bar is so small. Like, come on.
No idea.
Why is this daily bar so small?
Because we didn't go nowhere.
Yeah.
Just range back and forth all day.
We made a double deck of like the 15-minute open range, and then we just came right back down into it.
You just touched that fair value gap.
Everybody be this is not the 50K challenge. This is not none of that.
Nope.
Stay away. That's what y'all here for. Stay away right now. We're gonna do the review in like a couple minutes.
Looks like we might be buying.
Hey, like I said, you just let me know what to do. You said 250, 350, or 2 now?
350.
Okay. I got this strategy I have called Three Stooges. I think this is perfect. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna use this one. I forgot what this even is, but clearly it has to be 3 contracts or something. Come on. So we got 3 minutes. Until it's all fire in here. I like this because this is low-key my strategy. I'm willing to take this short for sure if that's what we're gonna do. Green bar, I don't care. That's fine. This is actually so funny to me. I'm like, yeah, who cares? Green bar, who cares? Run it. 2 minutes. Dos minutos. I really like the short. I will say. We got a little trap bar action going on right now. I might try the short, I think. But you're looking for upside?
Are
you looking for the upside? I think I'm going to try the short.
Mm-mm.
You said either way.
I'm just waiting to see which way it pops.
If we start breaking below the 78, that's what I might be interested in. Come on, baby. Here we go. Boom. Here we go. Come on, baby. What a time. Oh, this is insane.
Oh, just wait.
This is actually insane. It just on. Oh, what?
Just wait. I'm telling. Just wait.
Yo, I'm in the short and it's just going.
I know.
20 points. Come on, go take out the low now, my boy. You got it. You know what you want to do. Don't come back up. Yeah, I like this. All right, this is my account. This is my, I won't say undisciplined. This is my leisure account. Does that work, Coach Amy?
Yeah.
Is that what we call it? Leisure? All right, that was a quick 24 points. I'll back that. Still in if it don't want to come back up though. Oh, that was solid. Literally, $1,200.
Just wait.
You say so? Still keep watching? I'm like
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
10 minutes. What? So it didn't start yet? Is that what you're saying?
No, totally.
I could dig all of this. What I might even do in an account that I do like or not, just MNQ. I can always dig dirt. Let's go. Coach Amy, I don't know where you keep finding these strategies. But I'm like, I'll add it. Yo, that was my strategy right there. Literally. Like, that was my setup, just green bar. So I guess in these accounts, in these floors, I'm like, okay, perfect. Green bar, red bar, orange bar, get in there. Boosie candle, J. Cole candle, Young Thug candle, get in there. Who cares? Who cares?
What the hell are you talking about?
I'm saying,
J. Cole candle.
I'm saying the bar don't matter now.
J. Cole candle, Young Thug candle.
Who cares?
Lil
Get in
Baby
there.
Candle.
Get in there. Get in there.
The little baby candle.
Yeah, 4 PF, I'm in there. It's hilarious.
Wow, okay. Something just happened to my thingy.
Oh no, that's not good. That didn't sound good.
It was my what's it called? What the hell is that thing called? My copier.
No, is it like jamming?
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
probably on purpose.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Jerks.
Yeah, you killing me right now. You bastards. I still got one M&Q trade running right now too. They broke the low. Come on, keep going.
Not yet.
We didn't break it yet. Yeah. Oh, we did it.
Not yet.
If we come this low and don't break this low,
they're going to.
Tomorrow, I'm playing this low. If we
They're
don't
just
break
gonna
it
take their
today,
time.
I'm playing this. Yeah, it's just MQ in this one, so I don't care. See there, float. It goes or it floats. You know what was weird? I was looking at my MNQ chart. You know, I just review whatever I was looking at. And there was some like decent setups on the MNQ chart.
Mhm. I like MNQ.
Yeah, like what's going on? I'm gonna really have to check this out. Oh yes, baby, let's go. Wipe it out. Wipe it out.
Bam. We still didn't hit the low though.
Nope, still can't. They definitely wicked that out though. Yo, this is crazy. What time does the market close?
Well, You know, the futures market closes at 5, but
Oh yeah. All of a sudden,
I,
it's like my chart has nitrous. Come on, baby. Yes, sir. Go ahead. Yeah, Coach Amy.
once it breaks the low, it's gone.
I'm here with you almost
It's
every day at this
gone.
time. If this is what you do.
It's gone.
Because, like I said,
Gone. Let's see, we might go to 423.75 perhaps.
go ahead then.
We got 5 more minutes
Go
of this.
ahead. Don't come back up. Just drop.
Oh, it will.
Looking for 400.
It's got retracement levels to hit.
I don't know what this 400 level is I have down here, but I have something there. Who told you about no dots? Coming back up a little bit. Come on.
Okay. Mm.
That was solid though, like I said.
I'm pissed.
Why
I'm pissed.
is it coming back?
No. Remember, we were both riding that play together.
Yeah.
And it stopped me out at, let me do the data series so I could see the levels on here.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
This is crazy. It's
I'm like,
moving.
hopefully you guys stopped out.
Yeah, I already got out. This is just moving so fast. I'm like, this
Okay.
is might be faster than the 9:30 open.
Okay, so we got in, or I got in at, I think, oh, I can't see what this is. Well, 478. I think 478 is where I got in. And then it stopped me out at 456. But I literally have nothing on my thing to show for it. Like, it was red when it closed.
What do you mean, the profit?
Yeah.
No.
Like I was up like 1,500 or something close to that.
Is this on the screen you're recording right now?
No.
Oh no.
Oh, it was on my Ninja Trader screen.
Nah, if I was you, I'd message them again. And this is crazy. Maybe you could go into the trade database and they can show you the trade, because that's not cool. First the copier starts to act up, now you got...
I mean, because my executions are here. Like, they're here on the screen, so I know what
Man,
what
take
I
a picture
did.
of them right away. If I was you, I'll just take a picture right now.
I
just
know
in case.
what I did.
Yeah, like what? Backlog with them, you know? But that's not our problem. They need to figure that out.
I'm so mad.
Don't be mad.
I would have passed this first 50K.
If I was you, I'd literally message them right now and tell them that. Like right
How do
now.
I message them? I don't know how to message
Go
them.
to the Apex website and then there's like a help desk ticket and just click through all the things till they get you to write. Like, you just need to keep clicking at the bottom until the page pops up where you can write to them. That's definitely.
And what am I looking at? My executions?
Yeah. No. Well, you gotta go to the Apex website for what to write to them.
I know, but in order to show them, are they
hell
going to
yeah.
be able to
I send them a picture of those executions.
They're going to be able to go in and see them.
They should be. They damn sure go in and see everything else we doing. I don't care what they say, and I know they be going in these things. Yeah, this is crazy. They really fighting. This is some crazy activity right here. I like this stuff. Gratefully, at least I got a little play today.
Yay!
Yeah, thanks to you. Damn. You know me. If I seen this, I'm like, hell no.
Yep, I know.
Hell no.
I know. Let me see. I don't know where to look where my I mean, I know where my executions are, but like the specifics of them.
So,
I don't know if I read this thing.
is there a trade history button on here? I'm looking right now.
Okay, so where's the help desk? You said just go on their
Apex?
website. Yeah.
Okay, so Apex, there should be a tab that says help desk.
All right. I'll do that in a minute.
Yeah, bro, because that's not cool.
I'm gonna do it now.
Man, I wish you had the screen up. Because it's like, bro, look at this recorded. What you talking about?
I mean, can't you play back what happened, especially with my executions? I feel like there's a playback function on NinjaTrader.
Is it like playback of the chart though, or is it playback of the trades? I don't know.
Yeah.
I thought.
Okay, so I just hit support. Is that where I go to?
Hold on, I'm gonna log in on the website right now.
And then do I sign in?
Yeah, so you gotta sign into Apex, and then there's like a look at this button right here.
Oh, wait, I can't see. Hang on.
Oh, I just texted it to you, but if you want me to show you, I can. But there's that button right there. Somewhere should be on the tab. This is just whack.
They did me so dirty. Okay. Oh, it's on the dashboard. Okay. Sorry, y'all.
Cash account back up to sorry. Hell no. Y'all better pay attention.
No, I'm talking to the people out in YouTube land.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Y'all better pay attention. This is what they do.
Okay, help desk support tickets.
Look, $76.
And then what do I do? You said scroll until I find
Yeah, so
what I'm
like
looking for?
they make you try to go through all these things to make sure, like, bro. So click on it, and then I scroll all the way down,
Mm-hmm.
and then where it says additional support, I click on that,
Additional support. Okay.
and then it says if your question is not about that next page, right? Scroll down again, and it's like if
Mhm.
your question is not about one of these subjects, please click here, and then I click there.
Okay. Dang, that's so roundabout.
Right, and then you got to scroll down again, all the way at the bottom, and then click on I agree. You see that?
Yep.
Yeah, so click on that, and then you are just select whichever one. Like, I would say I have a funded performance account, and I have a question. Y'all go answer me today.
Dang, they did me so. They did me dirty.
Nah, you go get them back. Yo, nah, this is crazy. What the?
What am I calling it? What should I say? The copy trader messed up or what?
I would say copy trader and chart malfunction.
No, I don't want none of your damn articles.
Yo, why they catch this dude putting sheetrock on the outside of his house? What the fuck?
Okay, let me see. What time was this? Entry on this candle. 13:49. What was that? 2:49 my time.
Okay, yeah, I was about to say 15:49, but yeah, exact makes sense. 13:49.
Should I say 15:49? I should say 15:49, like so that they know.
Yeah,
like,
sure. I mean, yeah, just to be exact, I guess. I don't know where they are though for the time frame.
That's messed up. That's so messed up how they did me.
Hey, listen, tell them they could come back and watch.
Filthy.
Tell them they could come back and watch my live stream too. Send them the link.
Filthy. They did me so filthy just now. Oh my gosh, I'm so mad. Okay, I'm calming down. Okay. Breathing. Breathing.
There you go. Woosah, woosah, woosah.
Mm-hmm.
Don't let these bastards get you. Even if I gotta call you on the phone, 3:45 every day.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's run it. Wait, is that where I move my stop? Let me see. Let me make sure that's the right level. Oh, this is all jumbled. My executions are all jumbled. How do I get them from jumbled?
What you mean jumbled?
Oh wait, I just stretched out my chart. It's good. I got it. 464 actually. $64. Don't sound right. Hang on.
Man. They just killed the vibe.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No. They not you.
Let's see, they were not on my account root P&L.
I'm trying to think what else. And when you look at your P&L, there's nothing there.
No. It's actually negative.
No.
My P&L is negative. That's how I know that they effed me over.
Ah, that's that fast moving foolishness.
Okay, so I don't know what else to say. I just said I entered into a trade at the, at the price at 349. My trade was going well. With my accounts linked or whatever, I moved my stop to that price. And when the price came back and hit my stop, the trade kept going. I had to go to the positions tab to flatten everything, but the winnings I got from the trade were not on my account P&L. I had quite a bit of winnings from that trade, and my P&L was very negative after that. Please fix this.
Damn right.
I don't have a Rhythmic account. They're asking for my Rhythmic account ID.
Yeah, you do. When you go to Apex.
I don't have a Rhythmic account. I have Trade-Evade.
No. What they're asking you for is that username. So when you scroll down to the bottom, or I'm on my phone. So when you scroll down to the bottom, it gives you the user. The Apex _ whatever that is.
Oh. Shoot, I don't know what that is.
No,
and I don't want to leave the screen. Let me see.
You probably, if I was you, I'd start another tab.
Right here, yeah, I see it. Okay, where is it, you said?
It should be
my user.
Yeah, it's like
No.
Apex _ or something. Or dash.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they want.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Okay, so I had a picture. Remember that picture you told me to take? I have it in my phone. Should I attach that?
Hell yeah. And man, no rush. Take your time. I'm sure whoever is online, they better understand. I hope y'all do the same.
I'm gonna take another one just so that they can see. Let's see. This one's my entry right here.
Lift up my hands in the air.
Apex, why you gotta be about the drama, Apex? This is my first time. Well, actually, my second time having a problem with you guys.
See? Maybe playing.
Well, earlier today, my trade copier was running a play without me.
Yeah, that's crazy.
But I was able to catch it before it went too far. I think it took me like 25
You should tell them that too.
Okay.
You should write that in like before, early in the day, this happened, and then now this happened. Y'all got the information. Go check it, bro. I don't need to be talking to y'all. I shouldn't have to tell you guys about these trades. Y'all should see them yourselves.
My son, he's 13, and like he still has like, his little kid ways about him, which are hilarious.
Right.
But like he has this really deep voice now. And so like when I hear him talking, I'm like, okay, this is a man now. But then when I hear him laugh, he laughs like and I'm like,
It's not, the laugh didn't catch up with the voice yet. It's coming,
right,
my boy.
exactly.
Soon, my boy. You got it. That's funny.
I'm like, really? Okay, so let me move this to the desktop. Oh my gosh, this is taking forever. I'm so sorry.
Man, I already told you. I'm chilling.
Copy.
That's strange as hell.
Hey,
Mm-hmm.
so what kind of laptop do you use to trade with?
I have, what is this, a yoga? Like the yoga Lenovo?
Okay, so it is a Lenovo. Can you, well, do you know the specs for it? Because I'm looking for, like, I have my Mac computer, but I want to get a PC laptop so that I can, do my Ninja Trader and stuff like on the go.
Hell yeah. I got you. I'll look at it for sure. Hold on.
Okay, so I just submitted it. Motherfuckers. So pissed.
Nah, they're gonna give it back. This can't be happening.
And I bet you like some people just let it happen and don't even report it.
Nah, fuck that. Fuck that. Hell no.
All right, so now on to other things, I guess. Blank. You're not gonna believe this. Look at this. This chart is naked.
Oh, that's the one we were doing?
Yeah, I erased all of the trend lines and the boxes and everything. I left these on here so that maybe if we go down to a lower time frame, we can still see those.
Right, that's fine. We can still tell there's a trend line if we have those.
Mm-hmm.
I just sent you the laptop I have.
Oh.
It should, this page right here has a breakdown of it.
Thank you so much, everyone, for your patience.
Yeah, besides Apex.
Yeah, y'all better review my request. Sheesh.
Yeah.
Yeah, fix my P&L. Right now. Okay, so you said you wanted to break down the day, right?
Yeah.
So are we going to start at 2016?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I guess I can just go to the daily.
Because we already did the month. We did the week.
We did February, no. We're going to 2016. Okay, here we are. 2015 on the daily chart. I don't know why I have this line here. Are you there?
Yeah. I didn't hear you. You said you're talking to me?
Yeah, I said we're here on the daily chart.
Oh, I didn't hear nothing. I thought you were still, finishing up the writing. All right. So, this is.
Okay, I'm done.
There you go. Get it out. So, this is the daily. Look how we can still draw trend lines on the daily, though. Right?
Yeah.
You still see the whole play right there. There's a break.
But every one of these candles is a day, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is not one day.
Yeah.
This is still 1 quarter's worth of price action. It's just from the view of the daily.
Yeah. And see, we can still see that trend line. So
how about if we do this? So we see that we're on the daily chart. We have like this 1 quarter. How about we break this 1 quarter down into quarters?
Okay.
Should we?
Hey, you the quarter expert, so if you want to do it, hell yeah.
Okay. So this is the first day, or it should have been the first day of that year.
Yeah.
Oh, they better fix my stuff.
Don't worry, they will.
They just sent me another. They literally just sent me a message.
Yeah, that they received it probably.
No, this Helpdesk handles billing, account, and general website questions having to do with. Please ask any questions related to the trade copier on the investing website, instant chat, or help desk. We will be unable to accommodate any account fixes as a result of a trade copier malfunctioning.
Well, that wasn't really a trade copy malfunction, though. That was a trade malfunction, no?
I think he just didn't read all the way through my thing.
Well, write another one.
But he's saying that I need to go to the help desk, which is not Apex Trader Funding. It's at apexinvesting.com.
Yeah, but you didn't have. What did your copy trader do, though?
Like, it literally did not stop me out, first of all. And then when I went to stop myself out, my P&L was red.
So you mean the copy trader or the chart? That's why I'm like,
I don't know which one it was. Like,
wait, are you trading multiple accounts?
The ATM is supposed to stop me out, right?
Yeah, but you were trading multiple accounts?
Yeah.
Okay. So, but that's not a copy trader malfunction. It gotta be like a chart malfunction.
Okay, well, if it's a chart malfunction, same thing.
Yeah, right. So I don't know what they're talking about. This had nothing to do with copy trader. Copy trader doesn't just.
That's what I'm saying. He didn't read all the way through my thing.
Yeah, man, we could do this another time, man. If you want to just take care of that, because I know they got you a little annoyed.
No, I want to do this.
Okay. Do you want to?
Okay, so I was looking at the calendar.
Yeah.
Where am I going? 2016. Boo. Okay. All right, so January 2016, the first day of the first quarter was January 4th. So that's this day right here. And then the last day of that quarter, was the 8th. So let's put a line on the 8th. Where is that candle? This one. All right, next is the 15th, the 11th, and then the 15th. Well, I guess we already know that is what it is, so just move this. the
Okay.
15th. And the 2022, the 22nd there, and then the 29th. Okay. So this is one full quarter. This is the whole month of January.
So is this a X A M D?
According to the daily chart.
Right. And is this now and you break it into 4, right? So is that XAMD because we got a reversal in the
Yeah,
first quarter?
whatever we think this is. So if this looks like a reversal from this quarter right here, then yeah, XAMD.
Yeah, and we can see that manipulation with that wick bar. That was savage. The distribution is mad weird, yo.
Isn't it? It's so ugly.
The
I don't like it.
distribution looks like accumulation. I don't.
It does. I don't like it.
Yeah, I'm so confused. But we've seen other distributions though where like it flows and it goes. So maybe it's just certain times.
Sometimes I'm like, sometimes.
Yeah.
Motherfuckers. M. D.
Okay.
Okay. So with that, we come and we get our trend line.
And manipulation is again right at the break, it looks like. That's what I'd be looking for. Look, you can
So
pull it down.
stop next line.
Bring it up a little more. Yeah, bring it out. You gotta bring it out. Yeah, keep going down. Bring a little bit more up. You see that first
Up.
red bar? Yeah, you see the second red bar? It has to be inside, you know? Yeah, keep going. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, there you go. You see? That's it right there.
I thought the bodies had to touch.
So you see the body of the top part is touching, huh? And the wick is like basically hitting off of it. So remember how we would find the trend line would have to be, it has to be keeping the stuff inside. So you see that, you got to pull it down way more. Yeah.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. You could do it like that. Yep. And then you see.
Is that right though?
Yeah. The only thing you could do like that, or you could pull it all the way up so it touches the green bar, but it's the same thing, huh?
Where? Here?
Like a little bit more out.
Just turn it
Yeah,
off.
you see. Yeah, and
It's not doing it. It's
yeah,
like,
but you see, yeah, you see, like that's perfect.
Okay.
And then you see we break the front right at the end of the manipulation. I love to see that.
Right here?
Yeah, you see, look at that green bar. Breaks the front, right? At the end of it.
Where? What
The
green
big
bar?
green bar right at the end of the manipulation quarter.
Right here?
No, the other one to the right.
Wait, the manipulation quarter. This one. This one.
Yeah, there we go. See? That's where we get that break.
Mm-hmm.
And now I was like, where are you?
I know.
I was like,
Struggling today.
and
That
then
trade really messed me up. Okay, anyways. So yeah, we broke.
right.
And then, but where's our new extreme? Is this it right here?
So now remember, we're going for a new extreme for the downside. We need to take out that low wick of the red one.
Oh, okay. So this would just be a box.
Right. And then all we did was make a box, but we came back and made that new extreme before we could reverse though. Yeah, boom. And you see we basically got a failed breakout. And then John just comes back right down. You could even pull that box a little bit more to the left, right? And if you pull it to the left,
To the left.
other side, yeah. Just
Oh, this way.
yeah. And then you can see even that big wick, the red wick, that's just a failed breakout as well.
Mm-hmm. Yep, because if our trend line kept going, it would be breaking out of our trend line.
Yeah. But notice how they try to break out, but the trend line basically brought it back in.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Because it tried, but then it just got wicked right back in. And then we went right to that front. You
It
could
tried it.
yeah, you could technically call it a brick because that might be why we go into that range, the box. Right? Because when I get that overshoot, I'm looking for the reversal or the freaking ranging. I just need to wait for the manipulation quarters at this point and wait to see what happens. Um, I wonder. Yeah, the two-legged pullback is still in play.
Mhm.
Bro, what? Girl Scout cookies.
Hmm?
Nah, some lotion with Girl Scout cookies. I'm like, what the fuck? Ain't nobody. This is all random. You must be writing to them over there or something.
Yeah, I'm just copying and pasting.
Okay.
I thought I could do it quickly. But
No.
I thought I could do it without you noticing.
Oh, nah, you good?
Yeah, I'm literally just copying and pasting.
How you doing, Nathan? We good.
Okay, so it says billing questions, indicator chart assistance, website support, other. What should I choose?
It says what? I'm sorry.
It says request category, billing questions, indicator, chart assistance, website support, or other. Should I just put other?
Where is that?
I'm on the investing side, not the help desk.
Oh, damn. So it says indicator. No, it should be like chart. There's nothing about the chart there.
It says indicator slash chart assistance. But really, it's not chart assistance. I just want them to fix my P&L.
Yeah, I don't know what you would write for that though. It has to
I
be
just
like,
put other.
yeah.
Okay, I just submitted it. Now I'm back.
Yeah.
Okay. So we broke out of the box, fake breakout, came back down, put in a new extreme. Would this be considered new extreme?
Yeah. Basically, right? Takes out that wick to the left,
Yeah.
and then we just start
The
boom boom.
body in it.
Yeah, we just start rocking out of here now.
Okay, so then because remember you were telling me about a reversal,
hmm
how you're able to see a reversal. So,
Once it takes out that low, right? I'm just in anticipation for reversal. Now, if I
okay,
really want to be aggressive, I take that second doji wick, right? Because that's actually a second entry long, right?
this one,
No, the other one.
this one.
Yeah, if you want to be
But you
aggressive,
want it to turn red. You want this to turn green though.
right. So that's what I'm saying. If you want to be aggressive, you can enter there, and then you're looking for what, like double bottom, kind of. But if not, you're still expecting reversal. So when it hits that three, you see that green bar with the three on it? Yeah, you could take that one for sure. That's second entry long, and second entry failure. Second time they try to go down, failed. And now this is going to be the second time they try to go back up and take out a high. And this is if you're really expecting the reversal, huh?
Mm-hmm. They didn't really seem to want to give it to us at that point.
Right.
So that was January. That was all of January.
Mm-hmm.
Is this an AMDX year? I can't remember. Do you remember?
Hold on.
2016? I have it somewhere. Hang on.
Yeah, I have it. 2016 is XAMD as well.
Oh, okay.
I wonder
So
if
I'm
that,
interested to see how the AMDX plays out. The AMDX year plays out.
yeah, because I'm like, does
In the
it
first.
mean like this is for the year and then is this how all the quarters go?
No. No, the quarters have their own pattern.
Because I'm like XAMD for the year and the first one starting off XAMD, so
No, because remember the first quarter is an X. So this whole thing is an X.
hmm.
Does
I
that
see.
make sense?
Yeah. I see what you're saying now. Yeah.
But then if we break it down further, because it's a fractal of that X, we break it down to be XAMD.
Right. No, yeah, now I see what you're saying. Makes sense.
Okay, so let me go back to my.
Yeah, break up the Feb into some quarters.
Okay, so February. February started out bussing on the 1st of February. That was the beginning of our quarter. We had our first full week. So the 5th is there. I feel like I should color these. But I feel like that takes a long time.
We
And
got
then the
nothing but
12th.
time, man. Hey, y'all, just got a chance to join it fully. Hope you guys are having a good one today. Angela B.
What up,
Appreciate
Angela
you.
B? This must have been a short week. 12. Oh no, because I put it on the wrong candle. Gosh darn it. Hang on. Let me fix this. Okay, so the 15th. Oh, now I'm confusing myself. This is the 29th, so that's a Friday. So I'm putting my lines on Fridays. This is the 5th, and then the 12th, and then the 19th. Yeah, this wasn't a short week. It just looks crazy. It just looks weird.
Yeah.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is only 4 days.
What about that little doji?
What the hell is it only 4 days? That don't make no sense. Oh my god.
It's not a little. The little doji isn't in it.
This is January. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, 5 is
That's
like on the line.
5 days of the week. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. That doesn't make sense. We must not have
Is
had
it
a
which?
trading day this week.
Okay,
We
yeah,
missed a trading day. We must have missed a trading day this week because there's only 4 days
yeah.
this
Isn't
week.
February like a short month or something? Doesn't it have like
It is, but this
29
is the
days?
second week of February. What holiday is the second week in February?
The second week in February. I don't know.
I don't know either. If you guys know in YouTube land, let us know.
Yeah, please. That's what's up.
Ninth.
Thank you very much. It was a cool day for me. Took one trade in Microsoft and chilled. That's good. Angela said she took one trade in Microsoft and then just cooled out. That's what's up.
Let's go. 26.
I'm looking right now. Holidays in February.
That's weird. This trading week only had 4 days. But that was our trend week.
Yeah. President's Day, that's the 17th.
No, that wouldn't have touched that week.
All right. Yeah, me don't know.
Weird. Okay, so that is the, oops. Get rid of that. So these are the quarters, right? Okay. So here we broke, excuse me, and then we broke off into a trend. But you said you wouldn't have entered until here.
Yeah, no way. Nothing else would make sense right there. Unless it's three, four.
On the daily though, like if you were on a lower time frame,
Yeah, of
I
course you
hope
see the
you would have
longs.
gotten into it.
Yeah, of course. But unless it's 3:45, and I'm just trading on the low time frame, I ain't getting in there.
Yeah.
You know, I look at it the same way. On the daily, yeah, you start seeing. I would be expecting reversal, so I would of course be looking to go long, right? Because just from the play of me getting a break new extreme, I would have to be considering to take longs, for sure. Yeah, see, none of those bodies are touching. You gotta kind of angle it a little different.
Like this?
Yeah, and then bring that top part out. Yep, bring it in. Uh-huh. And then bring that top part.
The top part out a little bit?
Yeah, let's see. Nope.
Ah.
Nope, leave it right there. So then you see
Okay.
we got that overshoot. Mm-hmm. As long as I could get my sides to touch, I know that that thing is valid. All right, boom. See what I'm saying? But we got a little overshoot, so again, that's why we started ranging. Remember, anytime we get that brick, just like we got that brick with that red.
Right here.
Yeah. Anytime we get that brick, you know, especially on the daily, it's going to be a little more, how do I say, important, maybe? You know, and precise, because there we go. As soon as we get that, then we just start kind of reversing and ranging. Granted, we know we are back into that range spot as well, though. From to the left, right?
So what does this quarter look like? This quarter. So if this is a D quarter, and D kind of looks like accumulation, but I'd say at the end we definitely went up.
Then we got another reversal.
This did the opposite.
That's X again. The bottom definitely looks like accumulation.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
there's no way
Yeah.
that would be accumulation, right? That first one, because like you said, it reversed.
No. No, I don't think so. But of course, I am not an expert. I am still a student
You are
of
an expert, a student expert.
of quarterly theory. I wonder if this pattern is going to repeat like it did for the years.
That's what I'm saying. So
'Cause
XAMD,
if it does-
XAMD, and now the next one
Yes,
should
and
be
then
AMD.
AMDX. So if it does that, then this is going to be way more easy to like pin down.
Yeah.
All right. So am I counting our break in this box?
Yeah, that's the break. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, keep drawing it across, because you can see they come back and test that jump.
Mm-hmm.
That's that breakout retest I be wanting. They almost gave it to me today.
Uh,
No.
you're happy about not trading.
Yeah, I'm good.
Well, because you got that last play.
That's what I'm saying. I'm good. I'm good for sure now. I missed out on all that today, and then at the end of it, I was like, okay, little bag. So,
All right. So we did a false breakout, right? So this was what first entry long? No, wait.
so we took out that high. So that's literally just second entry short failure. That green bar,
Second entry short. That's what I meant.
yeah, that
No.
green bar with the 3, that's that second entry short. Yep, because you see the little doji, we try to go lower once.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
then we
I
came
remember
back
this
up.
one was the second entry short.
Yeah, so boom.
So now this becomes 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
If we didn't take it or whatever.
And now we got 1.
1 entry long, 2 entries long. Is that right?
No, because we can't count the high, right? Because it keeps taking out the 0. So that's why that's where I kind of pivot. It starts taking out all the highs. I can't really count the 0 now until it starts breaking down again, So that's why I start counting from the bottom now, because obviously we're not breaking the lows. So now let me count for the short traps instead of trying to get on the long board all the time.
Yeah, so the way I would be looking at this is, oh, look, we've got a fair value gap right here.
Okay, yeah.
After taking out the liquidity down here, which really is just another fair value gap
Yeah.
to the upside.
And just refreshing my mind, because I started to recognize them a little bit nowadays. The fair value gap is because you have that wick at the bottom of the green, the big green bar, and then the wick for the red, the little red bar is not touching, right? That's what it is. Am I wrong?
So let me show you where a fair value gap is and how to use it. So here is a
Right.
fair value.
Mhm.
Oh, correct. Hang on. So this is a fair value gap right here. So one of my strategies is once we close a candle above that, I'm getting in for the long.
Okay, so why is that a fair value gap though? It's the wick, right? Like,
Because this wick right here on this candle and the wick on this candle
Right.
are not overlapping across the body of this candle.
right.
They-
There you go.
They left part of the body open.
Mm-hmm.
And so since they left part of the body open, that means that all of the orders, all of these sell orders were not picked up. So these attempts to go long at this point were futile for whatever reason. And then we put it in the new extreme.
Right.
And then once we closed the candle above this fair value gap, that would have triggered me in for a long. And this would have confirmed it, because not only are we touching back into that fair value gap, but there's also a fair value gap to the upside right here that got touched. So if I take this one away and just show you this fair value gap right here. Oh, we didn't even touch that one actually, but we touched this one for sure. Hang on.
But you could draw it up a little bit more. No, you're good. I thought you said where the wick was.
Let me get the right one. But really we were touching back into this inversion fair value gap. Because you see how we just kind of traded through, we kind of, you know, wicked through this fair value gap that should have been pushing us upward. We really were coming to touch back to this.
Right. Yeah, that's savage. Yeah, look, he started adding that to my thing. So, low-key, now I'm not doing it right off the back, but if it can't hit my 21, I'm trying to see if there's a fair value gap there.
And then here is a fair value gap as well.
Bust a little M and Q on it.
Besides that box, we kind of use that to propel us up.
Yep. That's savage. And that little red bar, even though it looks weird, that's the second entry long. We know we're supposed to get on board that. That's crazy. That's literally like a spinning top.
All right, let's see if this is AMDX right here. This last little bit of price action in this quarter.
Say, let's break it down.
Oh, I keep moving my, what's it called? So now we're looking at March. So the first true week of March, according to the quarter system, started on the 7th. So where is March 7? We're here is March 7th. So this one's going to be kind of long, and we're not paying attention to this one. We already kind of went over it anyways.
Yeah.
And then the 11th. And I gotta move this back a little bit. Here. Okay, and then the 18th. And the 25th. And the 25th. Where can I put that? We didn't trade on Friday.
What month is this now?
March 25th. What holiday is that?
March 20. Okay, I see what's going on here. I'm on 2024. Hold on. March 25th. Last year. March 25th is a Saturday.
2016.
Oh, yeah, that's also. Hold on. Because I'm like, what?
We don't have a Friday candle.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. This man weird. Do they just... I mean, no way. They wouldn't just combine the candle because of the weekend. 25th is a Friday. There you go. Hey, Angela, you must be looking at these 2016s with us.
Is this what am I doing this right?
What are you trying to draw? Trend line? Yeah. A little bit more up. Yeah, you had it before.
Oh, like this?
Remember, you want to see something touching. As I tell everyone, just peep how the trend line will help to keep you on the right side of the market. Just peep. Yeah, a little bit more up.
Like this?
Yeah. Because that wick basically almost comes up and touches with the little green bar in the middle. So, Yeah, we got that break. And we got the new extreme.
Okay. So do you always draw a box at the break?
No, it's not all the time. But like right now, it's like they're doing it though on repeat. These are the little things I'm like, these little patterns are in like play. Cause you see, even if you draw that box all the way across, you see they just won't break that box now. Why?
They
And for
keep
me,
retesting.
I would say, is that one of your fair value gaps from the little red bar? You see that little red bar there, and it doesn't overlap any wick with the body? Not that one, the other one next to it.
Right here?
Yeah, man, I go make one.
Yeah, that little red one.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, this is a fair value gap. So
Mhm.
this wick is not overlapping with this one. So we
Hell
got a little
yeah,
gap.
I'm learning some fair value
And then,
gaps.
yep, and then the 3 touches into it, but we didn't go any higher. So what that would make me think is that there's some sort of other like ICT kind of thing. They call it a breaker block or an order block that they put in. It's probably this area right here. And it was supposed to send us higher. We did not really go higher. You see, we kept failing to the upside, and then we finally crashed.
Yeah. So I don't know if we labeled this yet, but when we're done, I want to see if we could find a big trend line.
A what?
A bigger trend line, like a big one from where this up move started. But did you want to label first? You want to see if we could figure this out?
Yeah, where do you want to label? Where are we throwing stuff?
Oh no, I'm saying the XAMD and the AMDX. I don't know if we're gonna label
Oh, I
that
forgot
first.
about that.
Yeah. So
All of that.
I don't know.
Okay, so
That's definitely
Mark.
not a reversal. So that's definitely looks like a A.
So this right here to me looks like A.
So are we skipping that middle one after the
Yeah,
D?
we're skipping this one.
Okay.
This was not a full week.
Yeah. So yeah, that's
This
definitely
was, let me see, this was February 29th and the first part of March. So we don't count this because it wasn't a full week of March.
Hey,
But we
Coach
count
Amy.
this one.
Hold on, my
What
bad.
up?
Someone online is asking if you can explain the fair value gap again.
Okay, so fair value gap is a 3 candle pattern. And essentially what it means is that, here, let me zoom in on this a little bit more. It's a 3 candle pattern. So you see how this wick comes down and does not meet with this wick on the other side of this candle. But if you look at all of the rest of this price action, most of these wicks meet each other. Some of them don't, but most of them meet each other. Most of these candles are starting within or touch at least the 50% retracement of the previous candle. But if we don't get that, then we're usually going to get a fair value gap, a 3 candle pattern where the wicks are not touching. And this gives us an opportunity for an entry. So since we were going down at this moment, we would be looking for an entry short at this point.
Yep.
So I would be looking for this candle or another candle after this gap to come back up into this gap, pick up those sell orders and go back down, continue the downtrend. But that didn't happen in this case. And it doesn't always happen.
Right.
So that's why you have to be careful with your fair value gaps. And here's another fair value gap here. That, well, actually it was this one that got touched into, right? This one got traded all the way through. These wicks are not overlapping each other. This candle sent a wick down or sent a body down and then went back up through this fair value gap and back into this fair value gap right here that was created here. I don't know if you saw it when I drew that earlier. Whomever's asking.
Yeah,
Angela. But you see how it touched right into that fair value gap that we created previously.
Yeah.
And then, I mean, I know I have a lot of stuff overlapping, but just try to imagine this with me.
Hey, listen, this is how my
And then
chart
we
look.
have, and then we have this gap too. So it traded right through this gap and touched into this gap and then took us higher.
Better to draw it and have it than not draw it and then come back later. Oh,
And be like, yeah, exactly.
yeah.
And be like, oh, damn it, I didn't see that.
Draw them all. Draw them all. Angela, hopefully that's good. That's some clarity for you. I don't know how else to explain it. That's why I let Coach Amy explain it. I just look for now one bar and then I call it a space bar and then another wick bar.
Yeah,
So
the
one
space
bar
bar.
with a wick bar and then a space,
This is the
right?
space bar right here.
Yeah, exactly. And then like another wick bar. I don't know. This is just what I say to myself.
Oh,
So I don't know if that's a valid explanation, but just that's what I look for. And I just started learning this myself, so
I like that. I like the space bar.
all right, Coach Amy knows what's good.
Okay, so what am I labeling?
So do we want to do?
Yeah.
And in
Kinda
my
like the
strategy, right, that's definitely like a accumulation technically because I'm looking for the break and then the retest and then to accumulate to keep going up. I try to add them all together. I definitely have heard of it, but could never get an explanation. That's why you come to Coach Amy, as Coach Neo says, Sauce Factory. She got all the sauce.
Hey. I hope Neo doesn't have that word copyrighted.
Sauce
just
Factory. I wouldn't be surprised. So so these fair value gaps were actually supposed to go down, not up. No, I think it just depends on how you see them playing though, right? Like
Yeah.
you want to see what's really the price doing, and if the price is breaking out of it, you guess you want a retest of it, right, Coach Amy?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
So essentially, like this space bar or fair value. I like space bar. I'm gonna start calling it that. This fair value gap right here got touched with all of these candles. You see, but because we had this consolidation box, this accumulation box that price also needed to touch back into and retest, that's why we had this overshoot of the fair value gap. But then it took price higher, and that's what this fair value gap was supposed to do. Once this candle or all these candles picked up those buy orders.
Right. And for you guys, like I trade something completely different than this, but it just makes sense. It completely makes sense once you start looking for them. Yep, there you go.
Look at this D. Ugh.
Yeah, right. I'm telling you, they're all gross. Distribution where? Like
I do not like distribution. I don't like distribution.
I thought distribution was like, hey, you get some, you get some, you get some, and then
It's
it'll move.
supposed to be, I would imagine, or like on the perfect explanation videos that people have on YouTube. That's definitely what they show, but
Cap.
in real life, those distribution cycles be dirty as heck.
Cap.
Okay.
All right, yo, real quick, you want to try to go back down to where this up move started and see if we can, let's see if we can find a big trend line. Because I keep seeing little trend lines, we get break, new extreme, we keep going. That's how I start looking for the big trend line, right? Like even on my intraday, I keep drawing little trend lines and then it just keeps going. After the new extreme, I got to find a way to see if I could find a bigger one. Because look how we reverse at that one point.
Can you give me like 2 seconds?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take your time. Quick little break, gang. But just to add what Coach Amy was saying with the fair value gap, like, yo, I wait for the 21 EMA. That's my trusted thing. Now I'm looking at the fair value gap because it pops out so, it's so clear to me these days, a little bit at least. And it's like, man, they really come back and test these areas. That's all I need to see in the back testing to give it some faith, right? and maybe I don't fully know it, so I do M and Q. But bro, that you can see it
Okay.
works. It's really wild.
That was the guy about the computer. My bad.
Oh man, good. Hopefully he figures it out.
Okay.
Um,
So you were saying about labeling it. Tell me again what you were saying.
I was saying, try to go back down to the to where the up move started. All right, right at that
This
red
one?
wick.
Right
Yeah,
here?
let's try to draw a trend line and see what can
A
happen. A
a
big one.
trend line all the way from here.
Uh-huh. We're gonna try to find a
Okay.
big one. We never
Okay.
know, so we
Okay.
always gotta check.
Start it here at the bottom.
Uh, a little bit right at the end of the wick, because you want to catch that body of the green candle. Yeah, there you go. Yeah,
Where?
boom.
Like right here?
Yeah, keep going up a little more. Keep going up. All right, boom. So you could catch the body of that green, right? And then we could see
Mhm.
if it tries to touch anything else. Yeah, keep going. We're just gonna see. Yeah. All right. Just see and copy and paste. Like I said, we don't know. We just checking. Right now, it don't look like it's touching much, but we could be wrong because it could be touching the top part and getting slammed down.
I don't know.
You gotta bring it up a little more to the top. Yeah.
Oh, here?
Yeah. So you see what I'm saying? It's just weird sometimes. But why I'm saying we want to find a big trend line, I look for those crazy places for the reversal.
I'm just trying to fit it all in the screen
Yeah, I
so that it
know.
doesn't look all crazy. All right.
Because technically, okay, trend line doesn't look so crazy valid. Let's see. Maybe we could bring it in a little more.
Which one?
The bottom one.
This.
The bottom one. Let's see if we could bring it in a
When you
little.
say bring it in, you mean like this direction or just
Yeah,
the whole thing?
like push it up. Yeah, the whole thing. Let's see if we.
Oh,
Okay. A little bit. We get a little bit more action. But
I'm trying to get wick in there.
yeah,
Oh, come on.
you gotta probably maybe try to redraw the bottom part a little bit if you want that.
And then anything with the top.
Nah, the top looks good because you got that 2 rejection off of it.
Okay.
You see what I mean? And we get that little break, and it's like we just get 2 legs up and then instantly reverse. Anytime I'm like, yo, we keep getting, okay, it reverses out of nowhere. Yeah, it's random, but again, I'm trying to find the reason, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Like, boom, that's mad. That's good. And boom, you got that little test right there now off the red. And like, you know, they might not test it with the green, with the 3, but they just probably can't do it because of the fair value gap or the box. I just want to be able to make up my own reason. 21 EMA as support or resistance on the move. Exactly. So, okay. So these fair value, 21 EMA. So, yeah, I just use my 21 as dynamic support or resistance for my trade ideas, right? Because if I'm looking for a short and it hits into it, that's showing me more than likely the price should go down. And if it's supporting off of it, price should go up. But yeah, Coach Amy, look at that. You get that little break. And then we go. And then we just low-key start reversing.
Right. Yeah.
If you want, you see that 3 right where the X is in the X? You see the 3? Go back. Yeah. If you measure from there to the top of that little red wick, what do we see? I'm telling you, I just be doing research. From there, yep. Go up a little more, yep, right there. Try to copy and paste that and put that where that green one is that does the retest. Oh, you be cloning it now, yeah. And let's see, what do we get?
Which one?
Yep, right there. You got it. Boom. Now, maybe a little off, but that looks good to me.
No, it's not off. It just looks like it because
And but I'm saying
okay,
a few points, you know what I mean?
yeah,
Man, that's it. So these are just how I try to find, okay, break new extreme. Okay, we're not reversing yet. Are we gonna do another leg up then? And then reverse? Okay. And then
and
boom.
look how similar the candles are. It's like the two green candles up,
In the
the one
red.
red candle, and
Mm-hmm.
then the other green, and then the other red that sends the wick up.
Yep.
It's like the same pattern.
See what I'm saying? Coach Amy recognizing these patterns. Um so now I'm just in reversal mode, you know?
Yeah.
And yo, I can't lie. It seems like it's starting to do that thing. Where's my page?
Wait, what?
XAMD. We have AMDX. I'm just
Yep.
trying to look. I'm like, this looks like another accumulation. So I'm also gonna try to definitely find a pattern, like you
Yes.
too, of course, in these quarters.
Okay, so looking at April, our first quarter of April starts on the 4th.
Man, and guys online, I know it might seem like a lot, but just keep showing up. Any questions you got, ask Coach Amy or myself. But I'm telling you, you want to do this type of stuff. Feel like people say they want to trade, and they just come on, and it's open, and they take their trades, and then they done. Nah, I don't think that's how you get far. I think this is how you really get far. Like, I was already confident in my strategy, but man, now I see my strategy on a higher, way bigger time frame still playing out. Man, I'm 100% confident in it now, you know? It's those are the things you guys want to do for yourself. And then when people's asking you like, yo, why you waiting for this or why you waiting for that? I could go show them this now. I mean, I don't care what people think, right? But some people be asking you like, why are you waiting for this? This is why.
This is a way better D.
Yes, gratefully. Finally.
But yeah, this is another AMDX.
So maybe we get double, break, then double again.
Maybe, let's see.
McDonald's. Because that's crazy. And like the more we learn these stuff, the more I feel like my vision is clearing up. Like I feel like before this, I was so blurry vision. Now I'm looking for the quarters. I'm like, okay, I can see a little bit.
And we still got to revisit that conversation about coming back to the open.
Wait, what'd you say now? My bad.
We still got to revisit that conversation about coming back to the open. Like, I think we can start it here if we wanted to.
Hell yeah, let's go.
So the second quarter, well, no, it's the first quarter, right? You're talking about it coming back to the first quarter open. So the true open of this first quarter is Tuesday. So whatever this opening price was, that is the price.
That's actually insane, right? Because I'm looking right to the right, and that's literally where we come back and turn back.
Yep. But it doesn't happen for, let me see. This is April. So it doesn't happen for another quarter. Wait, January, February, March. This is April. Yeah, so this is the second quarter of the year. This AMDX right here. This is the second quarter of the year. So the X and the A and the M and the D.
Right. They just chop it all out.
Almost this entire quarter was up in that. right there.
Just to get that new extreme, just to get that liquidity from the previous open, take us a little ride down. I'm trying to always find that ignition. But someone, I've never heard of AMDX. Man, me either until a few weeks ago. That's what I'm saying. These are the things I'm saying. Like if you don't try to go find out information, you're not helping yourself. You better go try to learn some stuff all the time. And I'm not saying jump and do it. Like Coach Amy shows me a lot of stuff, and I show a lot of stuff. She doesn't just change up her whole game, but I'm adding it though. Damn right, I'm adding it. If I keep looking at it work.
Tuesday. Okay, so Tuesday of this quarter.
Yo, that's savage because it looks like they come back and retest that again right before
They
they bounce
do.
out.
On this water fast. Water
Fest 5.
because I'm in love.
Okay.
They kind of did two at the same time here.
That is what I'm talking about.
Yeah, they did two at the same time here because this was the open here.
I'm sure we could figure out the timing of it somehow. But my thing is, right, I just like you helped me with the levels. I just want to know where we could possibly be heading to. Because if I see it start dropping, I have no idea where we're going. But if I know there's a level down there, then okay. Right?
Yeah.
So,
Okay,
yeah.
so that was April. How do we feel about April? Do you want to draw some trend lines there?
Yeah, I mean, we got a little downtrend. Like, literally
Okay.
got a break, new extreme, and we bounce right out of there.
Starting from here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yo, and if
Yeah.
you could never find the trend line from, like, the front side, I always use the opposite back sides. And then, like, when I clone it or copy and paste it, it's supposed to give me the other side. There you go. Hell yeah. Maybe
What?
I feel like you might gotta bring it up, but then bring it bring it back up like how you had it before, and then just kind of bring out the edge. Yeah, there we go.
Like that?
Yeah, let's see if that works. Well, no, maybe not. You want to start it after that two-legged move happens. I just thought about that. You see, so you want to start it after that evening star, because then all these moves are just up.
What's the evening star?
That red bar, that last highest red bar.
This one or this one?
Yeah, there you go, that one. Yep.
This one.
Uh-huh. You're gonna remember
Start
this
it
bar.
after that?
Yeah.
You said after it?
Yeah, or at it, right at it.
Or at it.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Because that's when the down move actually starts, right? We just made a higher high, so really the down move didn't
Yes.
start yet.
Okay, and then do I need to fix this
Yeah,
part?
just bring it out, you know. Yeah, you take a nap.
Okay, it's about as good as
Yeah,
it'll
I
get.
think you need to take a nap.
Like, I'm like that kid that's like, no!
Okay, so this is what? This is a brick?
I wouldn't say it's a brick,
Then what is this?
mate, because we get that new extreme right
Or,
after.
I'm sorry, what is this?
Yeah, that little front part, that's the break.
This is a brick. Oh my god. See,
Well,
I told you that front back. stuff.
Remember, break, not brick. The brick would be if it's a downtrend and it breaks out the backside. I'm gonna text you this right now too.
I don't know if it's gonna help. Let's see.
Nah, look, brick. So, how do I try to make this easier for you?
When you say breaking out of the backside, breaking out of the front side, I just get like my brain.
I just
Not-
feel like a downtrend naturally, the right side is the front side. You know what I mean? Because it's basically hitting into the resistance, coming down, hitting into the resistance, coming down. So the manipulation is they
Okay.
try to break out of the resistance and then get, come back down.
Yeah.
Whereas
Yeah.
the brick is if they break out of the support. That's crazy because the support is supposed to keep bringing it back into the trend line,
Uh-huh. Okay, that makes more sense when you say hitting it. Yeah. Okay.
We're gonna find some ways to get this across to each other. You got me with that fair value gap now. Yeah, see, it's always crazy to me how the lowest point really knew extreme, just like today, right? Until our 345 raffle off, we didn't get, we didn't come back down there all day. That's what
Right.
right? So it's the same way, like even now, it's basically what they did on that section, but as soon as we got that new extreme, we started trying to come back down, but they couldn't break that level again.
Nope. They made a higher low.
Right? Boom. And it's like, man, if you're not in, you better get in on the higher low. And that higher low is also second entry long. Man, you better get in.
Okay, let me see, because this looks kind of crazy. That was April, right? No, that wasn't. Yeah, that was April. So May, boom, first week out. First week out. That's when it started.
Yep.
The 6th is the first.
So right now, what we're doing, if anyone's confused, I know some people just coming in and out. We're just like going from the chart from 2016 to current, finding patterns. We already did the weekly. You need to go back in the playlist. I got a whole playlist now that you could look at. But we did the monthly, we did the weekly, and now we're on the daily. Zooming in.
Okay. This and this look exactly the same to me.
Which one is?
But, and I don't know, Coach Roach. Maybe this is an X. I don't know.
Yeah. Because remember,
this
reversal.
does not manipulate. You see how it kind of stayed within the confines of the previous quarter.
Yeah, I think the manipulation is where that higher low is.
Oh, annoying. I'm trying to get this thing to stick. Okay, there we go. So this whole quarter was inside of this quarter.
Yeah.
So that lets me know that this is the accumulation quarter.
All of that?
The second one.
That's accumulation.
Yeah, do you see why I say that though?
So after the X, you're skipping that last part.
Okay, so yeah, after the X, skipping this.
Okay.
No, just kidding. Wait, am I?
Because that's April, now this is May.
Oh, no, okay. No, you're right. Because the second is the first week of the quarter. Okay, so I would call this X.
Yeah, and then that manipulation, like I said, that little higher low part, they try to act like
A.
XA. That A, it could be, it could be the one.
I think this is A because this came down below the low, this went up above the high.
And this is
and then our D was trash and stayed with it.
So AMDX, and then we get that reversal. Yeah, that makes sense. That definitely makes sense. And
that's okay. So another AMDX then.
Man, that's a triple stack.
Yeah.
And AMDX, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, continuation or reversal for the X, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I go to Coach Amy's school 1-on-1. Y'all better get y'all tickets. I do.
Hilarious. X.
There's a thousand ways to skin this cat. Find your one and stick with it, but that don't mean you don't learn the rest.
Right. That doesn't mean you don't try to find the optimal times of the year to trade, times of the day to trade. Like, I'm not trying to be staring at a computer screen the entire rest of my life. I want to find the optimal times to trade
That's right.
so that I can do that and then get the hell on with my life. All right, so
Yeah, if I know,
X.
okay, these couple months is gonna be whack. Okay, let me plan to either go do what I need to do away from the chart during that time.
Right.
Go see who I need to see. Take a trip if you need to take a trip, because next coming quarters you're gonna have to be on it.
Or do a project, like work on a real estate project or anything, like
Yeah.
anything other than sitting at a computer trading.
Right. That's how I'm feeling these beginning of this year so far. Like I don't even want to get on my computer. I get on my computer and I'm turned off right away. Like, what is this?
Yeah, they're not making it easy either. Not today anyway. They didn't make it easy at all. Okay. So we broke out, right? Broke out of our box. We retested it here. But what do we call this? Like, what the hell is besides our continuation from the last quarter, or from the D? Like, what is this?
I don't know, but I know that's just another failed breakout. That whole move started from a second entry long. You could probably draw a trend line on that piece.
How?
That gotta be where the 3 is.
Right here. Going up.
Oh yeah. You gotta hug it close though.
That's super crazy. Okay.
Like really close. Yep. You could even bring it in a little more.
Like this?
Yeah. Basically.
Exclude this candle.
Try it.
Maybe I just need to move my where I started.
Is it possible to start from that red wick? No, right? That would be crazy.
This one?
Yeah. Can you start it there?
Why not?
Yeah, might as well give it a try. We got that little break at the bottom. You gotta try to get that little bottom. It's
impossible to hug all of the candles.
Yeah. You don't worry. The top part might do that. So try to get that little bottom 3. You see the big 3? You gotta get that in there though.
How?
Bring it back out wide. Also, I have seen sometimes when the trend line starts. There you go. That's how. In pre-market, right? I've seen trend line get breaks and still keep working for the rest of the day. I don't know if it's a pre-market thing alone or just certain times. Can you repeat the abbreviation of AMDX? Oh, don't even worry about it. I'll put it in the chat.
Thank you for manning the chat.
Yeah, don't even worry.
I'm like, I can't help.
M manipulation. D distribution. And X. You gotta look at the X and like kind of see what's happening. So it could either be continuation or reversal. So it can come as well. It could come as AMDX
or XAMD.
XAMD, right? Yep. Pick your poison. But again, we break. That doji is definitely not our break. That doji is just when the break happens. Then we get that evening star. You're going to remember what that is.
Yeah, this one.
Yep.
I call this an inverted hammer.
Whatever. That's better. That's better for you? I'll call it that. Inverted hammer. Yep.
Or a shooter.
Shooting. Yeah. So, am I bugging? Let me see something. Wow, that's crazy. I'm going back to this. Yeah. Shooting star, evening star. Man, same thing. I'm looking at my candlestick chart right now. I'm like, man, these candles look almost the same. Okay, let me send you this picture. That's a shooting star. And that's an evening star. Just a little more. Just a little more body and a little more wick at the bottom. Got it, thank you. Anytime. Anytime. You see that? They're like the same. The wick, the body's just moved up a little bit more on one, and a little bit more wick, but they're saying the same damn thing. Get in the trade. It's going down. That's all you need to know. And this is actually, that evening star is actually perfect, right? Because that's let's see, from the bottom. Yeah, from the bottom. I don't even think wait, no, that 3-bar breaks below, right? The big green one inside?
The 3-bar breaks above and below.
Okay, yeah, so we got first entry short, then we got the second 3 with the second entry short, which we literally saw this pattern the other day. They won't go short on the second entry short. They'll go make the new extreme, then they'll go down.
So this would be making the new extreme, this evening star. Or
and if you're following the trend line rule, if you're confident in it, I'm taking that short. Simple as that.
And you wouldn't have had to get out for a while. Like if you imagine getting in, or this being your entry or whatever, it goes down, creates a fair value gap, right? So
you're expecting that retest then?
We make this fair value gap right here.
Boy,
well, most times it does.
I just learned that.
We get a touchback into the fair value gap, a retest, and then it just dies.
You better add. But then again, right, it starts going down. Before we have the 7:30 open, it's like, where are we going? Now I know exactly where we're supposed to go. And that's literally where we go. We do a little overshoot of that level, come back down, and then just rock it out of there.
This was a beautiful day.
Amazing. That was
June 24th, 2016.
Need to mark that day down.
Yeah, and then the following days, it was like, woo! Market just died, but then look what happened as a result.
Yep.
It hasn't been back down there since.
That's right. Because we took out liquidity of the top level, right? We took out liquidity of the bottom level. And that's why I be drawing. Hold on a second. Go back to the left a little bit. All right, so if you go to the left, right, you could draw a big range.
Where?
You could draw like a huge box from where that evening star is, and then all you can see is that we got a failed breakout from the bottom and made the play, right?
Yep. Oh, yeah. I want to draw it, but I don't. Well, maybe I can.
And just draw a big one real quick. You see, you got to bring it down a little more, right where the top of the evening star is. Yeah, you could bring it a little bit more down. Yeah.
I know. I'm just trying to get it here.
Yeah, I know they'd be messing with you. With the yeah, I know. I was gonna say I know. All right. No, bring it up. Yeah, that's how you know it's a failed breakout, because you see they try to push that thing out of there. So now again, you got two things that could help you with the target. I would even bring it down even more. Yeah, where that wick is. Boom. See?
There's a couple of wicks touching there. A
Yep.
few.
Now everyone's like, why do you draw all these things? Right there. That's
Look,
why.
this retested. This right here.
See what I mean? If you don't have that, there's honestly no way for me to see that visually. I'm just looking at price, making a breakdown, and I'm just like, oh, well, it just went back up. I don't know why.
Ain't nobody trying to trade like that. Ain't nobody trying to trade blind.
Right, see?
Like I got blinders on. Like, wait,
Put
why
your
is it
goggles
getting-
on.
Like, I'm not trying to trade like that.
All right.
Not after all the money I lost when I first started.
Hell no.
Okay, so
That was
let me
savage.
see. Check out our AMDX thing and see where our opening price was here. So this is the A. This is Tuesday. So this was our open.
Oh, man.
We just played around that level, came back to it here, came back to it, retested it. Look at this.
That higher low off the level, I'm taking it. Sorry. I mean, I'm already expecting back to the top of the range. I'm taking it. Next to that red 3, I'm taking it. Sorry. And it breaks below and above. So technically that's a first entry short. It breaks back above. It comes back down for the second entry short. I mean, I don't know what else. I don't know what else they want.
They want you to take the trade. That's what they want.
That's it. Exactly. Just get in, man.
All right, so this is June. What do we think? This definitely looks like a freaking. Okay, this doesn't count, right? So
Okay, so
this
the second one
X
doesn't count.
going straight up. This one is not going up. It's not doing anything.
Yeah. Do we call that? Do we call that reversal or do we call that accumulation?
I don't call this accumulation.
So another AMDX.
Another AMDX. I don't know. Because I wouldn't call this accumulation right here.
Nah, yeah. So it would have to be that. 3 little bars next to each other anyways. Got to be a range.
Look at this dude.
Yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's the distribution that I want to see all the time.
That's my distribution. That's the best D out of
That's yeah, he's stupid. But not for real, like that's a big that's how many points is that one bar?
I don't know. Let's see. This was 2 days.
Bruh.
Oh, I don't have my thing on. 2 days. 326 points.
I'll take that.
Totally.
I'll take 100 out of that. That's good.
Totally.
300 times
Why
20.
are we getting so many AMDXs? So we're still in 2016. 2016 was an ex-AMD year.
Mm-hmm. So now is this like the middle of the quarter?
That I don't know. I just thought about it. So this big box that you had me draw, this might be our
Entire
egg.
accumulation, right? All of it.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then this is probably the beginning of the M.
Yeah, because they definitely manipulated all of those people. Just reiterating again, people are like, why don't you take breakouts? Why don't you jump on with us? Nah, man, you guys got it.
Never. No breakout traders here.
Yeah, you guys got it. I'll just wait. What am I waiting for? You guys to get trapped, unfortunately.
Yep, waiting for the breakout traders to get trapped.
Unfortunately for y'all, I'm waiting for y'all to do exactly what y'all want to do.
Waiting for the people that got in too early, the overzealous people. Waiting for them to get trapped.
Oh yeah, excitement. I love when people get excited, you know? Because I
Hey,
know this is not
those people
supposed to be
sometimes.
exciting at all.
I'm one of those people sometimes, and I'll be like,
Don't do it to yourself.
that was gonna happen, but I knew it. But I knew.
Right.
All right, so this X stops on Friday. Okay. Well, that's cute. Okay, so I forgot. I still have my lines here from the other chart from the weekly.
Okay.
I think I might have changed a line or two, but this right here signifies the beginning of the third quarter, which would be
The manipulation. Yeah.
our end quarter. Yeah.
Here we go. Let's see what they
So
manipulate.
that is like spot on, right? That's spot on.
Hell yeah.
So yeah, all of this is accumulation. This AMDX for the, let's see, April through June is all of our accumulation. And look at where we boxed. That's like perfect.
Remember, we didn't look at none of that before.
That is perfect.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. I'm just saying, there's something to this quarterly theory stuff.
You see me here. No, alright. Still listen. You see me here.
Okay, after we do this, we have to do an AMDX year, and then, what do you think? Just wrap it up for the day?
Yeah, we could try to just do this little part and be done.
I know, but I wanna definitely do an AMDX year because this year is an AMDX year. Or that is our expectation.
What you mean by you want to do a year? I got a little confused.
We are still in 2016.
Oh, so you want to do another year?
I want to do an AMDX year if we can. Maybe we can do that next time.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Remember, we gotta go through every single one of them. Whether we go in order, out of order, we gotta do them. I know. That's what I told you before. I was like, it's gonna take a lot.
Okay, so I'm back. Oh, how did I get back to 2024? Gosh dang. July. So we're moving into the third quarter. Literally, the third quarter of the year.
Right.
Okay, so July 4th. We did not have a trading day. That was on a Monday. But our Friday was on the 8th. Okay, and then the next Friday is the 15th. What's 22nd? These candles are getting much smaller.
Yeah, they just literally shrunk.
So that's that first month in the quarter. I'm just gonna keep going. August 1st. So this is the beginning. Our Friday is the 5th. Okay, the 12th. And then Friday the 26th.
Yo, Bareface Terrence. Yeah, that's your new name. You haven't even seen him in his
Also, next week doesn't count.
Anyway, I was calling to see that battery work for 3.
So next.
Yeah, bro, I put it in.
5th,
It came on, so everything should be good.
the 5th, the 5th,
I'm gonna go back on it go live, talk about
Monday there is
Bareface
no
Fence.
trading apparently.
Dreadlock twist up.
That must have been
Benji.
Labor Day.
Dude.
Okay.
What?
So there we skipped a day
Okay.
in September. So this was the first trading day in September, or the first day of the quarter. Okay. And then the 9th. Yeah, it gets weird when there's like only a certain number of days in a week.
Right, no, the holidays.
16th. So that's the next Friday. Third.
Oh, they were walking towards the gas station? Like going that way? My mom and my brother?
Yeah, they were.
Going that way.
Okay, so this is the entire third quarter right here. Mapped out. Of course, we can already see that we can draw a huge trend line here.
Literally huge. It's gonna be a little shady, but it's gonna be there.
How do I do it? Like,
You might gotta draw a couple.
Then
See, so that's one.
I have therapy on Sunday.
Okay.
And then I'll do
Okay.
so you have to do
What?
what time are you gonna be done?
I'm gonna be done soon.
I just know you be wanting the bodies
Yeah,
touching
yeah,
or
yeah.
wicks touch. Sometimes that is not possible.
Yeah. What time is it? Oh shoot. We got like 10 more minutes. I gotta be on the move a little bit. By like 6. Alright?
We could just wrap it right here.
Alright, I was watching you draw this trend line. I wanted to see what happened. But alright.
Yeah, let's wrap. And then that way I can go back to the computer place. Oh, I don't want to go back.
Oh my god. He doesn't know, so he has no idea what he's looking for?
No, they didn't. So the guy that I went to go see about it yesterday, he was like, I don't know why it won't turn on. And so we waited for his boss to come back today to, show me like how to turn it on, how it, to get into the operating system part where we can like configure it.
Yeah. It sounds like you're doing a lot of F12 reboot, kind of clicking up.
Yeah, but they didn't. The dude yesterday didn't know how to do it, and then just now when I went before we got on just now, the guy who supposedly knows how to do it couldn't do it, and then finally he figured out how to do it. So that's what they just called me about, and they're like, "Yeah, you can come back," and I'm like,
"Man,
I just got all this." Yeah, okay. I just got all this time to do all this stuff.
They better figure it out then if you're gonna go back there.
Playing games with my time and my money.
Yeah, they're trying to play with you today. Don't let them do it. Don't let them do it. Well, all right, guys, we'll be back next time. Then this is what, episode 4, 5, 4 or 5, one of them.
I don't remember.
It's either 4 or 5. So, like I
but
said,
I'm actually recording this time. So.
There we go. Did you check out that
Got it
Rumble
in the
thing?
cloud. Got it in the cloud.
Did you check out the Rumble thing that person was talking about?
Oh, I'm going to though.
Yeah, I will. Remember, we can send a link to anywhere. We don't need to be on YouTube. But cool, everybody on YouTube.
All right, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see y'all next week. Same time, same channel,
That's right.
everything.